Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M02. This phone is available in 4 color variants: red, black, blue, and grey. The Samsung Galaxy M02 is available in 2 variants to choose from: 2 GB RAM plus 32 GB storage and 3 GB RAM plus 32 GB storage. The internal memory is expandable up to 1 TB. It has dual SIM with dual standby option so that you can carry a single phone around instead of two. The 6.5-inch PLS TFT LCD Infinity V-Cut HD display provides truly immersive viewing experience by maximized screen size. It's ideal for gaming, watching videos, multitasking, browsing, and more. The phone has a dual rear camera setup with 13-megapixel main camera and 2-megapixel macro mode camera. The phone also has a 5-megapixel front camera to suit your convenience. Powered by Android version 10 operating system with MediaTek quad-core processor, this phone makes downloading, gaming as well as browsing very smooth. It comes with 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Inside the box, you can find Samsung Galaxy M02 smartphone, ejection pin, manual, data cable and travel adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.